Why do so many of us, despite endless advice and self-help, still feel stuck in the same problems every day?
We try the morning routines, we write down our goals, we try so hard to stay positive, and yet that heavy, frustrated feeling doesn't go away. It feels like running on a treadmill. You're working yourself to exhaustion, but you wake up in the exact same place tomorrow. It's often not the big things, but the tiny recurring frustrations that wear us down. Like that split second when your morning coffee ends up everywhere but your mug. Or the relentless ping of work notifications when you're just trying to take a breath. And the heavy sigh that escapes when you're stuck in traffic again. We've all been there. We usually blame our bad luck, our jobs, or the people around us. But what if the problem isn't what's happening to us? What if the problem is simply the way we are looking at it? To understand why we get stuck, we have to look at how our brains actually work. Psychology and neuroscience show us that our minds love comfort and habits. When a sudden problem hits, like a rude comment from a coworker, a stressful bill, or a minor daily crisis, a tiny part of our brain instantly triggers a panic response. Before we even realize it, we react. We get angry, we get anxious, or we get defensive. We think we are fighting the problem, but ancient wisdom and modern science actually prove the opposite. Think about it. Every time you get sucked into workplace gossip, an online argument, or a toxic environment, you are giving away your personal energy. In philosophy, these negative traps are called pendulums. They are like invisible energetic webs fueled by drama. They want you to get upset. And the exact second you lose your temper or start complaining, you hand over your power. You aren't fixing anything. You are literally fueling the very drama that is draining you. For a long time, I lived exactly like that. I was fighting my daily life every single day, trying to force things to happen, and I was completely exhausted. But everything changed when I stopped treating big ideas as just words in a book and started actually living them. I stopped trying to control every tiny detail around me. Instead, I changed my perspective, and I started practicing 2 simple steps that gave me my life back. First, I learned to stop biting the bait. The next time a stressful trigger appeared, I didn't react right away. I took a breath and realized, this is just a trap trying to steal my peace. I chose to step back and respond with calm kindness. Or sometimes I just walked away. When you don't fight back, the drama collapses because it has nothing to feed on. Second, I stopped wanting things so desperately. When we obsess over a goal with high anxiety, we create a fear of missing out. But when you let go of that desperate need and replace it with quiet, steady confidence, something shifts. You realize your energy is your true currency. You don't get what you fight for. You get what you are in harmony with. The moment you stop treating life as a battlefield and start treating it as a path you choose, the world around you softens. Problems turn into lessons, and life starts working with you, not against you. This is not just about books. It's about decoding life itself. And once you learn to read reality, you don't just survive, you thrive.